The murder trial against an accused fentanyl dealer, Kreli Haynes, continues today.
That's right. Prosecutors say Haynes sold the substance to 16-year-old Zarek McMeekin in the form of a fake Percocet pill. McMeekin took that pill and died of fentanyl poisoning in December of 2023.
KVUE's Jessica Cha is following the case. She's live at the Williamson County Courthouse in Georgetown with what was said in court today. Jessica?
Yeah, Ashley, yesterday we heard witness testimony from Zarek's loved ones. So we learned a little bit more about him and his history with drug addiction. But today we found out a little bit more about the process behind finding out what kind of drugs were in his system when he died. Now today the prosecution brought in forensic toxicologists and analysts from the lab who tested for fentanyl and opiates in his system. Yesterday, a forensic pathologist told us that both fentanyl and heroin in Zarek's system may have contributed to his death. But today, technicians broke down how they test for these drugs in samples they receive, how they keep samples from being contaminated, and who tested for what part. Jennifer Swatek, a forensic toxicologist with NMS Laboratories, the lab that tested for fentanyl in Zarek's system, says there was enough fentanyl in Zarek's blood to be deadly, and the level of heroin could have been fatal. But it would be up to the medical examiner to officially determine what killed him. And at this point, the medical examiner has not been called to testify on that. Now, Haynes' attorneys have spent a lot of time arguing that the presence of other drugs in Zarek's system could have contributed to his death or may have been to blame for his death. But prosecutors maintain that Haynes should be held responsible for giving him that counterfeit pill before he died. Now, court proceedings will continue tomorrow at 9 a.m. Live in front of the Wilco Courthouse. Jessica Cha, KVUE News.